course, the puppies is looking at me like, what the hell am I doing? What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be unboxing my PowerGPU PC, and then I will show you my gaming setup, which you can kind of see off to the side here, but that was just a rushed setup I put together to use my laptop to stream. So I got this PC from PowerGPU, and I am very excited to open it. I have been waiting for this PC for 2 weeks. Now, with PowerGPU, their turnover rate is very, very fast. So I placed the order, and then within 14 business days, they have the PC shipped out. Now, everything is built. Once you place the order, you get approval of what parts you want, depending on stock and if things are available. And all of the specs I will be putting in the description box below. And if there's anything that you're interested in looking more into, or if you have any questions, I will also link PowerGPU's website and their YouTube and their Twitter. They're very, very good with customer service. And so if you have any questions, you can hit them up and they'll be more than happy to answer you. So let's jump right into it. As you can see, the amazing, even their fragile sign, their fragile sticker is classy. Love it. Okay, but unfortunately we're gonna have to just cut right through it. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Wow. Oh my God. I'm trying not to make a mess. They packed this so well. I don't know how I'm gonna do this without making a mess. I'm gonna have to make a mess. Okay, give me a second while I clean this up, because I hate messes. But I am not going to complain because they packed this so well. Let me just dig in to see if I missed anything. Let me clean this up and then we'll jump right back into it. Okay, everything is all cleaned up. Got the box. And as you can tell, I got the Lian Lancool 2. And I got the white case. So let's open this up. So PowerGPU, because they are so professional, they got an instructional manual, which I love, with also the warranty, return policy, everything. Make sure the switch is on. Find the connection to your monitor. Do not connect monitor here. Back of the computer. I love that they added this part here, because I totally would have put my monitor there. So I'm glad they're like, here, not here. That's very, very helpful. Okay. Oh my God, it's so heavy. Here. Okay, I'm gonna have to do it this way. Oh, shoot. Well, that's on me. I'm making such a mess. Wow. Wait a minute. You really safeguarded everything. So I messed up and filmed the wrong way with my phone. Also, don't mind the wires. I will be fixing that later. So this is the PowerGPU PC after I just set everything up. So just some specs. We got this PC has the Ryzen 7 3700X. It also has the GeForce RTX 2080 Super. And it also has the G.SKILL Trident Z Neo 16 GB. But I will be posting all the specs in the description. So let's, all right, so let's power this PC up. Now that we got the unboxing out the way, I was able to set everything up, got to reorganize my gaming station. So let me show you the new and improved gaming station that I am now streaming with, playing games with. I just have to hook up my Xbox, but Other than that, it is good to go. So let me show you guys my gaming station. Of course, the puppies is looking at me like, what the hell am I doing? But anyway, this is my gaming station. So we got the PowerGPU PC set up, looking clean, sexy. Don't mind the wires. Yeah, I know the wires is kind of all over the place, but I'll get that organized when I move in with Keith. But so we got that. I got the AutoFull bunny chair. So I've been trying to keep a common theme. I don't even really like pink that much, but Keith loves pink, and I just didn't want a basic black theme. So I got, and I'm also obsessed with lights, as you could tell. So I got the Razer. Are you done? Are you done? So I got the Razer version 2. I think it's the tournament edition Chroma, along with the mouse from Razer. And of course, you know, I had to get a stainless mouse pad, but I just hid my PlayStation right there by the trash can. Don't mind that. Of course, I got the Razer Kitty headphones. Had to get, you know, pens and scissors because it's a little work desk as well. Dual monitor. So this is the monitor that I did the other unboxing with the Alienware curved monitor. So that's all set up. And I just got the Acer, I think it's a 22-inch flat. Let me show you, flat screen. We got the LogiTech C920. I got this, I don't even know what it's called, but J Duke lended it to me. But I got the Blue Yeti Nano mic right here. Then some decorations. So this is what I'm streaming and playing with. I just gotta hook up my Xbox right next to my PS4, then I'll have everything set up. But this is my gaming station. And I'll make sure to put all these products onto the description so you guys will be able to look these up yourself and get more information if you like. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys got enough information on what kind of tools I've been using, what kind of products and machines I've been playing with. So just wanted to give you guys an in-depth look of my new streaming station and the unboxing from PowerGPU, who did an amazing job. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.